What's the meaning of avocado pear? Avocado pear. Avocado pear.
Avocado pear. Avocado pear. Avocado pear is another term for the fruit commonly known as avocado, which has a green, rough outer skin and a creamy, rich inner flesh that is often used in salads, sandwiches, and dips like guacamole. Avocados are a good source of healthy fats, fiber, and various nutrients, and they have been associated with numerous health benefits, including improved heart health, digestive function, and weight management. They can also be used in a variety of sweet and savory recipes and are becoming increasingly popular around the world as a versatile and tasty food.